What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Raul. We out here working on the RSX. We're right here with my cousin Angel.
What's up?
Today we're actually gonna start switching out the clutch. We already loosened up the axle nuts, and now we're just gonna jack it up and just start taking everything apart. Alright guys, so the clutch I got came from Action Clutch. It's stage 2. So this is like my first time installing a clutch, so we'll see how it goes. Also got a flywheel. Oh, there should be that right there. We won't need this for a while. And this is gonna take forever, bro. We're out here in Las Vegas. It's already what, like 92, 93?
Probably like 90s
It's
already.
like 6 in the morning. It's freaking hot, man. So
yeah, he's not used to this weather yet. No humidity, just dry air.
we took out the battery. We're just taking off the slave cylinder out of here. Shout out to K-Tuned. Take off this ground right here.
Dang, rusty ass, man.
Alright. I guess the intake now.
No, only one person saw it.
Basic ass intake, bro.
Gee, you got that from AutoZone, huh? Did it come with the car?
Yeah, it came with the car.
Oh, okay.
I should get a colder intake. So, I'm gonna take off the shifting cable. Shouldn't be that hard, just a pin.
It's currently 7:13. And it's 92 degrees. Welcome to Vegas.
Basically, you're done on this side. Basically, unbolt everything on this side. Took off the rotor, the caliper, disconnected it from the coilover. Took off the axle, disconnected the end link right here, the bottom one.
That's the ball joint, no?
No, this is the ball joint right here.
Oh shit.
Yeah, we disconnected that, but we realized we're just gonna take it down with the whole knuckle. Fuck it. So we're gonna go on to the other side and do basically the same thing. Who's this from?
Action.
All right, guys. So we went ahead and took off all the subframe bolts. My hand got all dirty. I also cut myself. Yeah, the subframe is ready to come down. It was just like 2 mount bolts, the one in the front for the transmission, one in the back. There's one in the back. There's a like. And then we also had to unscrew the sway bar. Ow!
Ah! Make sure you close your drawers.
So we finally took out the subframe. Well, I'm gonna start taking out the axles actually. Or actually, I think I should drain the transmission oil. Ah, no! Oh, fuck. Man, what did I expect, man? I should have just fucking unbolted this bolt. That's all good, though.
Thank you, sir. Stay hydrated.
Alright, guys. So we got the transmission out.
Really dirty.
So we're gonna start taking out the clutch and putting everything back together. That shit was a mission. I accidentally broke the sensor. Where you go?
It's right there.
It's
Right there, and it goes.
Because we forgot to disconnect it, just make sure you're disconnecting everything.
110 degrees outside.
Woo! Oh man. Wow, this is pretty worn out. Look at this. Bro, this thing is like hella thin. Look at that. Bro. No wonder it was slipping, man. Yep. Got the right size. This is a 17 for like the one holding in the pressure plate. This one's gonna be a 10 millimeter with the like the 12 points. It's not a regular socket, but yeah, this kind of socket, because the other one you don't want to strip it. Fuck that. Hopefully this works. I've seen this before, but I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm supposed to bolt in one of these right here. I've seen this in like I think a Chris Fix video. There you go. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't move. There you go. Yep. Or 5. Pilot bushing. I actually had to get like a, I forget what it was called. It was like a hammer thing that you attach to this, and you're supposed to like hit it out. But I mean, I still made it work. Thankfully. Just supposed to hammer it in with like a socket or something. Alright, so flywheel's on. I just have to put it, tighten up the bolts to spec. Forums say it's 90 pounds, 90 foot-pounds. This one. This one. I wasn't into cars in like high school or anything. Ugh. I was just into skateboarding, not into cars or anything. And then oh wait. Did it wrong? But yeah, I wasn't into cars or anything. I was just into skateboarding. And here I am working on my car. Would have never thought I'd be doing this right now. 5-wheel slide, yes. Thank you, Action Clutch. This one there. So flywheel's in, clutch is in, everything's tightened up. From there, now to work on the transmission. Came with the new throwout bearing. I'm gonna try to clean this up, I guess. Yeah, I should clean this up. But yeah, we're gonna take out the throwout bearing when we install the other one. I think we have to take off the fork. I'm really not too sure. Lube this up and then put it back and call it a day. And then we can install everything else, man. Fuck.
For the record.
If there's one thing clear,
Alright guys, so this is like 2 days after the last video. We're here with Eduardo too. He came up with his other jack because it was really hard to put this transmission in. But we finally got the transmission in. Angel's down there getting in the starter bolt, I think. I would recommend taking off this transmission mount because it's just gonna get in the way. Fuck, man.
Let's get it done tomorrow.
Alright guys, so the RSX is finally on the ground. Still have to tighten up the axle nuts. But man, I forgot how low my car was, man, because it's been jacked up for so long. Like, I forgot how low it was. Everything's already connected. I just need to connect the battery. I actually lost that one sensor. I don't know where I lost it. I put some transmission fluid in there. Transmission fluid I went with is MT90. Yeah, man. I'm just thinking, like, what if, like, I don't know, something went wrong in the transmission while I was installing it, or clutch. Like after all this hard work, what if it still doesn't work, or I fucked up something, you know? Today I woke up at 5 in the morning to get this done, because man, it just sucks not having a car, man. Like, if only I had a daily, I should get like a little Civic or a little hatch as a daily, and then have this to, you know, not really worried about having to fix my car by like the next work day or whatever, you know? Alright guys, so I'm back with the sensor. I had to buy another one because I don't know where I left the other one. But yeah, I'm gonna switch that out. Alright guys, so basically everything's back to normal, back in place. So the last thing to do is turn it on and make sure everything's running fine. I'm so nervous right now. You guys have no idea, like, what if I did all this for nothing and I gotta drop the trans, drop the freaking, man. For now, I'm just gonna turn it on and then like probably, or actually I'm gonna move it over there. Man, dude, you guys, I'm so nervous right now, bro. It's been a minute since I've been in this car, man. Bro, that clutch feels crazy, bro. Alright. Alright guys, I will turn it on now, okay? Man, it took so long just to do this and just for it to not start. I'm gonna turn it on. Let's see if it turns on, man. Fuck. Okay. So it turned on. The check engine is light is on. Okay. We're pulling it out to neutral. Alright. Dang. Wow. Dude. Okay. Yeah. Wow, okay. Wow. Like right when I let go of the freaking clutch pedal, like that shit reacts like hella quick, bro. Okay, so I gotta check that check engine light. I don't know why the fuck that's on. Okay, but it runs. Add some coolant because I did lose some coolant when I installed the coolant temp sensor. I think that check engine light was on because I forgot to connect the air intake. There's a sensor for that. Oh, look, it's right here. Connects right there. Feels great. I gotta get used to that clutch pedal, but so far so good. I honestly thought it wasn't gonna even like run, bro. Like I was thinking worst case scenario. Like I've never done this kind of stuff, and thanks to those YouTube videos on YouTube, man. Cause if not, I would have taken it to a shop or something, man. Fuck.
And we're back.
We're back. We picked up Angel.
Yeah, I was at work.
Back. What do you think about the new clutch, man?
It feels good. It feels good. I like how instantly you let go and it just grabs. Like, that shit's ridiculous.
RSX is back. Action clutch. I've been driving it for like a week now. Feels great. No complaints at all. It's pretty grippy. I would totally recommend an action clutch. Stage 2 if you can. I don't know if you want to run a stage 3 if you're running that much horsepower, but I mean, daily it, like stage 2 is pretty great. It probably doesn't have a stock feeling, but for sure recommend. Looks like this is gonna be the end of the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.